Welcome to my channel. Daily English conversation to improve your speaking skills.
Good evening, welcome to Restaurant Cozy. How many are in your party?
It's just me tonight.
Let me show you to your table. Here you go, is this table?
Yes, this is perfect, excellent.
Here's the menu. Can I get you started with something to drink while you look it over?
Sure, I'd like a glass of red wine, please. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely, we have a fantastic Cabernet Sauvignon. That pairs well with a lot of our dishes. Would you like to try that?
That sounds good, I'll have a glass of that.
Great choice, I'll be right back with your wine. Meanwhile, if you have any questions about the menu, just let me know. Here you go, 1 glass of Cabernet Sauvignon. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, I have. Everything looks great. I'm thinking about starting with the calamari. How was it prepared?
The calamari is lightly breaded and fried until crispy. It comes with a side of marinara sauce and a lemon wedge. It's one of our most popular appetizers.
That sounds delicious. I'll go with the calamari.
Excellent choice, and for your main course, do you know what you'd like?
I'm deciding between the grilled salmon and the ribeye steak. Could you tell me more about the ribeye?
Certainly. Our ribeye steak is a 12-ounce cut that we cook to your preference. It's seasoned with our house blend of spices, and served with a side of sautéed vegetables. And your choice of potatoes.
That sounds tempting. How do you recommend it be cooked?
I recommend medium rare for the best flavor and tenderness. But we can cook it to any level you prefer.
Medium rare sounds perfect. I'll go with the ribeye steak then.
Excellent choice. And would you like to add any sides or sauces to your steak?
What sauces do you offer?
Including a rich mushroom gravy, a peppercorn sauce, and a garlic butter.
The garlic butter sounds wonderful.
I'll have that, great. I'll get that order in for you. Is there anything else you'd like to add, like a salad or soup?
I think I'll go with the side salad. Can I get the house salad with the vinaigrette dressing?
Certainly, I'll add that to your order. Here is your calamari. How was everything with the calamari?
The calamari was excellent.
How was your steak? Did it meet your expectations?
It was fantastic, cooked just right. And the garlic butter was perfect.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Or perhaps a coffee or after-dinner drink?
Yes, I'd love to see the dessert menu.
I'm tempted by something sweet after such a great meal. Absolutely, here's our dessert menu. We have options like chocolate lava cake,
Cheesecake and tiramisu. The chocolate lava cake sounds irresistible. I think I'll go with that.
Excellent choice, I'll get that for you right away. How was the chocolate lava cake?
It was delicious, just the right amount of sweetness.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Can I get you anything else, or would you like the check?
I think I'm all set. Could I get the check, please?
Certainly, I'll bring that to you right away. Here is your check. Take your time and let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you, everything was excellent tonight.
Thank you for dining with us. I hope you have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.